Today's day 11 of Spin the Wheel. Whoever we land on, we have to make a cover art for. Yesterday we did Osama-san, and yeah, let's get straight into it. Okay, we got some motherfucking Sk8star. I think I've only made like one cover art in the past for him. So yeah, we're just gonna, run it back. He has a album coming out called Designer Junkie. So just kinda, perfect. But yeah, let's get straight into it. Actually, I kind of do really like this picture though. I think we could work with this. We could have it like this. Have him there. We could make this like black and white mainly. If we go into camera raw filter and we just remove some of this. So let's see. Go to color mixer, saturation. Let's just mess around with different. Kind of like keep all that. What if we got rid of the blues? What if we like mess around with some of them? Oh, the blues up, aqua's up, the green's up. But what if we mess with them down here? Some purple shit, nah. Oh, something like that. That's pretty clean. I fuck with that. And then we have this one too. We can put him, remove the background on this one. Boom, boom like that. Boom like that, boom like that. And I want to grab some of these garments because this is like his design or whatever. Probably not personal, but they're close. Put that shit in there somewhere. We'll probably remove like a lot of it, some shit like that. But I don't want to do that right now. I want to do just like a soft brush, just like this. Then we'll scale him up, kind of make it like he's in there, just so the perspective's not off. So now we have this. This kind of like a cool look. This isn't like Designer Junkie, but I'm about to bring this into my ultimate adjustment pack. Now, if you guys do want to go ahead and check it out, I will leave a link down below to my website. I'm running a BOGO sale right now, so I'll buy one get one free. If you add one product to your cart, you can add another one and get it for the price of one product, if that makes sense, right? So bro, this 1300 Saint one, it's just been carrying like what I want to do with a lot of these covers I've been making. But yeah, I think this is pretty cool. We just gotta adjust the colors and shit like that. So maybe if we add a gradient map, that's pretty cool. Hold on. Well, we want to make this like, that's a good like blue right there. And we'll make this white. We'll just mess around with the blend modes. That's kind of fire. I do want to bring this like that, and then we'll get rid of this like border here. Actually keep it, drag this back up, have it like that. Boom, 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 boom. So we're just gonna do this. We could probably like scale it like this to keep it real. I do want to like maybe actually what would this look like if it was like low quality? We just like pixelate the fuck out of it, stretch it. Y'all think this would be as aesthetic or not? What do y'all think, bro? Would y'all fuck with this? This was the cover art. This could be like a single though. Put it like this. Then we bring it back in. What if we do like shit like this, where you put it up here in the top? You just like rotate it, keep rotating it like that, and then we stretch. Ooh, we have this. It's kind of like creepypasta type of shit. Like, bring this under him so it pops out. And then we can mess around with the blend modes on this. Alright, boom. I think if we put like a UK flag over his head, obviously that's like his whole branding, right? So if we do that shit, I think that would look fire. Hold on now, hold on. Get that bitch gone. See, this came out pretty fucking fire. I don't know if this is the right fit though. We might have got the wrong fit. We just have to chuck it on here maybe. But yeah, fuck it, bro. Fuck it. Well, you could like have them right here. I mean, we don't even really need this shit, right? We'll just, the quality on this shit is so but fuck it. Drag this in. Have it like this. Have a fucking mogul here, bitch. The fuck. Actually, we could just keep it here. Alright. And then we could put this behind them. Just stick them right here. Like, this is very, very weird for me. Like, I don't like. I'm actually very clueless. Like, I genuinely don't know what to do for this. We're just doing whatever. But I think this is coming out like pretty decent. It's not like the crazy shit ever, but I feel like we could just like put designer junkie up here in that Arial font, I think it is. And he puts an exclamation mark on there. We can mess around with the vertical space in here. And then maybe some more, bring it in a little bit more like that. Boom. And we could have it like right here in the corner. And we can do some other shit. Like we can just keep doing our own little thing on it. I might do the glitch effect on it. So we gotta go into neural filters or filter gallery, and we gotta do, our little thing. So we're gonna go into. Also, we could do some chrome shit. This might come out hard if we do some chrome. We put it like that. It gives it this like water effect. Now we could grab the blood splat brush. We could just like erase some parts. What if we change this to red? Is that too much? Is that too much? It might be too much. It might be. What if we mess around with like a dark red? I don't know. I think we'll keep it for now. We'll probably we'll keep it for now, and we'll just keep messing around with this shit. Put like this. Mess around with the blend modes. You just gotta see what's visually good, right? You just gotta see what's visually nice. So we'll do like lighten. Then we'll do this. Boom, 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 boom. Just add like little shit like this right here. That's pretty cool. Fuck with that. It's like a little shit. Then we could honestly, what if we do like a border shit? Where you do like this. We have it like, hold on. We squish it like a little bit. Wait, this Loki fire. Hold on, we might cook with this. We definitely gotta work on this gradient map though. I don't know. I feel like that's nice, but we might just have to do some shit. What if we put the hue? Bring it all the way up. Why is it like that? Why is it purple? Oh shit. Put the hue. Then we mess around with this. Different kind of blues. Maybe a darker blue. What about red? Can we do blue and red? Kinda. It doesn't really work though. I mean, it's kind of cool though. A little bit cool, a little bit cool. I do like the blue though. I like the blue, but I'm a bit conflicted. Have it like that. But there is a cool effect we could do. And it's called color range. I used to do this for my fucking Fortnite banners, bro. This shit look comp, but I can't remember if this is how you do it. I think you have to do posterized, maybe black and white, then posterized. And then gradient map, and then you do color range. Click on an area, yeah, so some shit like that. Shit open. Ooh, that's low-key tough. It's low-key fire. Yeah, invert. That's hard. I fuck with that. This right here is tough. I like that. You can mess around with this. Put the yellow even. Hey, shit, boy. Purple low-key fire. But yeah, I kind of fuck with that. Let's see, we'll scale this up. We'll do our little thing with the, the fucking thing. What's it called? What's it called again? The splatter brush. Boom, place it like that. Then we horizontal flip that shit. Cut him out, cut his eye out. Also, we could do this. Then we can mess around with blend mode. Maybe like lighten. Nah, darken like a darker. Nah, none of them working. We could put it here, maybe like give it a blur. I think maybe a red on this would be fire though. Like a darkish red. I don't know, bro. I don't know. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit. All the way up. Oh, this is a cool little border. So that's the border. That's all we need. Just bring the lighting down. Now, I do want to cut out some, like, I want to cut this shit out and put it in there. I think that would be fucking hard. Now, we're gonna have to obviously redo this whole gradient shit where we do the color range, like, whenever we add some new shit. So I'm gonna add everything in now. And then we don't have to, like, keep We'll we could honestly put that there. We'll control L, bring up the levels, and we'll bring the lights. That's actually already cool. Like with this, we don't even have to like really do. Just bring that in, put that there. Ooh. And we could have it like coming down off the border. Boom. We could grab some of these jeans, do the same exact shit. This position's already pretty fucking tough, so we can, bring the lighting up like this, and then mask it to where we want it. So we want the UK flag to be shown. We also want this to be there. So what do we do? What do we do? I guess we just gotta like create this cool ass look, bro. This might be it, bro. This might be it. Bro. This might be fucking it, bro. It's fucking like it's fucking tough, bro. What the fuck? I did not expect it to be tough. I look-y fuck with this. We just gotta have it like that. Then I want to put his little like symbol in there, whatever you call it. I want to get this shit right here. So whatever this is, we'll just drag that shit in. I'm not too sure what it is. Educate me. Yeah, we'll just drag that in. Put that all the way down here. This shit low-key makes it like high quality, bro. Wait, oh, that shit low-key fire. Put that like right here. That'll be tough. Put that shit like right there. Or we could like put it right here in the middle, on top. Designer junkie. I fuck with this, bro. Let me know if you guys are fucking with this. Should I keep this version or should I do this version right here? Let me know which one you guys think. Maybe if we bring the fill down a little bit. I like it overexposed or over saturated. I kind of fuck with that look. We can merge all this shit together. Ooh, I'm gonna convert this. I'm gonna go into camera raw filter and we're gonna, mess around with it a little bit. See what happens. We'll bring texture up a little bit. Nah, maybe I really just want to mess around with the colors though. Mess around with the greens. Put the blues like that. Oranges. Put them to like yellowish. The blues. Like darker purples. I don't know, bro. I don't know. Boom. That's it right here, bro. I kind of fuck with this shit, bro. Not gonna lie, we got the original picture here. We got this picture here. Hey, we got the AI shit in there mixed in with the UK flag. Got the denims. We got the text. Actually, I really fuck with this kind of text right here. We just stretched it in, holding Alt and Shift and Control or whatever the fuck we use. I can't even Shift and Alt. Use those. You stretch it, right? And now we're gonna put the parental advisory on it. And we're gonna call it a motherfucking date. So we'll put that like, maybe you should pull in the corner, right? Bro, this shit is fucking, I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck what y'all say, bro. But yeah, let me know if this is tough, bro. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of really do fuck with this. I know it came out super like weird, but I think in a good way, right? It's kind of different. Maybe I'm wrong. Hey, maybe I'm wrong. But yeah, let me know if you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys did, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, comment down below some new artists. We are running out of, fucking artists. So comment down below some artists. I'll add them onto the list and join the motherfucking Discord.